Welcome to this episode, and today we are going to get to know how to execute a code based on the calculation of even and odd number. For executing whether a number is even or odd, we first need to develop a program which first tests an input which is given from the user. For example, A is the input which is taken from the user. Then if A mod 2 equals to 0, this is the format for checking a condition. Mod test for the remainder, it will print even, and then that number is even, else print odd. So let us check it out what's happening here. Enter a number, for example 26 even, 25 odd. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome.